Every morning can feel like a battle against a body that no longer responds the way it once did. The vitality that once defined your days seems to fade away, leaving behind fatigue, discouragement, and a sense of loss that grows heavier with each passing year. What used to feel natural now becomes a challenge, and life seems to lose some of its brightness. Waking up already tired, losing enthusiasm for activities that were once enjoyable, and feeling that the body no longer reacts as it used to becomes increasingly common. These changes affect not only physical life, but also emotional and social well-being. Feeling exhausted in the morning can turn simple tasks such as going for a walk, spending time with friends, or even having a meaningful conversation into a real challenge. The psychological impact can be deep, generating frustration, reduced confidence, and a feeling of disconnection from oneself and from others. This quiet decline affects many men over the age of 60 who, even if they do not always say it out loud, feel that they have lost part of their vitality and control over their own well-being. Beyond low energy levels and reduced morning erections, there are other symptoms that are often overlooked. Motivation can decrease, making personal projects, hobbies, or even simple daily routines feel exhausting. Libido may decline, creating tension in a relationship and affecting self-esteem. Sleep becomes irregular, light, or frequently interrupted, which increases irritability and stress. Some men experience emotional distance, mild anxiety, or mood changes they cannot clearly explain. Each of these symptoms may appear gradually, but together they create a general feeling of decline, as if daily life is lived with less enthusiasm, less strength, and less confidence. These signs are quiet but important, and recognizing them is the first step toward restoring vitality. There is a natural and surprisingly simple method that can help restore energy, improve sleep, and revitalize intimate life without the need for medication or complicated routines. This method is hand massage, a technique that takes advantage of the direct connection between the nerves in the hands and different systems of the body, promoting overall well-being and hormonal balance. Unlike external solutions or medications, this practice is completely safe, accessible, and easy to incorporate into everyday life. By dedicating just a few minutes each day, it is possible to activate specific reflex zones that help stimulate circulation, calm the mind, and prepare the body for restorative rest. What is most impressive is that this technique can begin producing noticeable changes in vitality and well-being gradually, with results that can be felt within the first week of consistent practice. Hand massage is not simply a relaxing gesture, but a technique supported by the intricate connection between the nerves of the hands and the rest of the body. Each hand contains thousands of nerve endings that send direct signals to the brain and internal organs, allowing deep and effective communication with the nervous system. Simulated studies have shown that stimulating certain reflex points can influence hormonal regulation and improve the body's response to stress. By applying pressure and specific movements, circuits are activated that support blood circulation, the release of hormones such as testosterone and melatonin, and overall muscle relaxation. This interaction between the hands and the body shows how simple techniques, when practiced consistently, can have meaningful effects on the health and well-being of men over 60. Improving microcirculation through hand massage has a profound impact on overall vitality. Better circulation does not only mean that muscles and organs receive more oxygen, but also that erectile function improves, which is essential for confidence and sexual health. When blood flows properly, energy feels more stable throughout the day, fatigue decreases, and the body recovers more quickly from everyday strain. For example, a man who spends a few minutes each day practicing hand massage may notice that activities that once left him tired, such as climbing stairs or walking moderate distances, become easier over time, and that his physical endurance gradually improves, increasing his overall sense of well-being and vitality. Hand massage also has powerful effects on the nervous system, helping the body shift from a constant state of alertness to one of restorative relaxation. Many men live under ongoing stress and tension, which leads to insomnia, mild anxiety, and difficulty unwinding at the end of the day. By stimulating the appropriate points on the hands, the parasympathetic nervous system is activated, the system responsible for relaxation and digestion, allowing the mind to settle and the body to enter a natural rhythm of recovery. With regular practice, it becomes possible to notice reduced anxiety, clearer thinking, and a general sense of calm that prepares the body for deep, restorative sleep. This ability to restore the nervous system is essential for regaining energy, vitality, and overall well-being. Hand massage not only influences circulation and relaxation, but also has a direct effect on hormone production. By activating specific points, it can support the natural release of testosterone, a key hormone for maintaining energy, libido, and healthy sexual function. In addition, certain reflexes stimulate the production of melatonin, which regulates sleep cycles and contributes to deeper, more restorative rest. Other hormonal systems related to stress and overall well-being also benefit from regular practice, helping to balance both body and mind. This gradual hormonal influence allows men over 60 to regain lost vitality and experience meaningful improvements in daily energy and emotional well-being. Before beginning the massage, it is helpful to prepare the environment and create a comfortable, relaxing experience. Choosing a quiet place without distractions helps focus attention on the sensations in the hands. Using a light cream or a natural oil can make finger movements smoother and enhance comfort. Maintaining a relaxed posture, sitting in a comfortable chair, and breathing deeply helps amplify the effects of the massage. The goal is for this ritual to become a moment of personal care, where the mind connects with the hands and the body is prepared to receive all the benefits these techniques can offer for vitality, sleep, and sexual health. The first point to stimulate is called Lao Gong, located in the center of the palm, exactly where the middle finger touches when making a gentle fist. To activate it, place the thumb of the opposite hand on the point and apply firm but comfortable pressure, making small, continuous circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes on each hand. At first, you may feel slight sensitivity or a pleasant warmth in the area, which is completely normal. This technique helps calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and improve overall circulation throughout the body. A man practicing this for the first time may notice reduced tension in the shoulders and back, along with a smoother flow of energy, creating a sense of calm and well-being that prepares the body both for an active day and for restorative nighttime rest. Stimulating the Lao Gong point has effects that go far beyond immediate hand relaxation. By improving blood circulation, oxygen delivery to all organs increases, allowing energy levels to remain more stable throughout the day. The deep relaxation it creates also helps release accumulated stress, reducing tension in the shoulders, neck, and back. Those who practice this technique regularly may notice they wake up with more vitality, less fatigue, and sharper mental clarity. In addition, by calming the mind and improving circulation, the body is better prepared for deep, restorative sleep, creating a cycle of well-being that supports both physical energy and emotional balance. The second point, Xiao Fu, known as the small palace, is located just below the knuckle of the little finger when making a relaxed fist. To activate it, use the thumb of the opposite hand and apply firm but comfortable pressure, making circular movements or gentle strokes from top to bottom for 1 to 2 minutes on each hand. This technique focuses on emotional balance and preparing the body for deep rest. A man who includes Xiao Fu in his evening routine may notice reduced anxiety and racing thoughts before sleep, creating a sense of calm and emotional comfort. Consistent practice of this point helps harmonize the nervous system and allows the body to enter an optimal state for nighttime regeneration, directly improving sleep quality and physical and hormonal recovery. Stimulating the Xiao Fu point provides significant benefits for heart function, emotional stability, and sleep quality. By calming the nervous system and releasing emotional tension, it supports the natural production of hormones that regulate energy and vitality, including testosterone. This balance contributes to a more stable mood, improved concentration, and reduced daily fatigue. During the night, the body is able to repair itself more efficiently, leading to greater energy upon waking and faster recovery from physical or mental effort. Regular practice of Xiao Fu becomes a powerful ally for men over 60 who want to improve overall well-being, emotional health, and sexual vitality in a natural and sustainable way. The third point, known as the pineal reflex, is essential for regulating sleep and hormone production. It is located approximately 2 finger widths from the base of the ring finger, within the fleshy area of the palm. To stimulate it, place the thumb of the opposite hand on this area and make gentle circular movements, covering an area of about 1 inch for 1 to 2 minutes on each hand. The sensation is usually light and pleasant, similar to a soft warmth spreading across the palm. This technique sends clear signals to the body that it is time to deeply relax, activating natural hormonal regulation processes and preparing the system for restorative rest. Stimulating the pineal reflex has a direct impact on melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep and wake cycles. When practiced regularly, this technique promotes deeper and more consistent sleep, which in turn supports energy regeneration and optimizes natural testosterone production. This helps men wake up with greater vitality, higher energy levels, and improved physical and sexual responsiveness. In addition, the reduction of accumulated daily stress is enhanced through this practice, creating a balanced connection between body and mind. Consistent activation of the pineal reflex makes this technique a key tool for restoring vitality and overall well-being. For these techniques to be truly effective, consistency is essential. Practicing them daily, both in the morning and before bedtime, allows the body to adapt and optimize its natural rhythms. Repetition creates a cumulative effect where each session strengthens the benefits of the previous one, reinforcing improvements in sleep, circulation, hormone production, and daily energy. Turning these practices into a daily ritual helps establish healthy habits, builds discipline, and strengthens the sense of control over personal health and well-being. Consistency not only maximizes physical results, but also boosts confidence and self-esteem, offering a comprehensive and sustainable approach to maintaining male vitality over the long term. Michael, a 65-year-old man, began noticing constant fatigue, low motivation, and difficulty maintaining focus. Every morning he woke up tired, with little energy to handle even simple tasks like walking to the neighborhood market or preparing breakfast. When he introduced these hand massage techniques, he was initially skeptical, unsure that something so simple could have real effects. However, after practicing Laogong each morning, he started to notice small improvements in circulation and mental clarity. Over time, as he also added Xiao Fu and the pineal reflex to his daily routine, Michael noticed his sleep becoming deeper, allowing him to wake up with greater vitality and an overall sense of well-being he had not felt in years. To maximize the effects of these techniques, it helps to create a relaxing environment before starting. This may include using soft lighting, applying hand creams or natural oils to ease movement, and taking several deep breaths before beginning. Adopting comfortable positions and keeping the spine upright supports smoother energy flow. Even spending a few moments with closed eyes, focusing on breathing while performing the massage, enhances the effects on the nervous and emotional systems. The combination of massage, conscious breathing, and a calming environment strengthens the feeling of calm and well-being, naturally amplifying the results in a sustainable way. Many people believe that only medication can improve male vitality, or that problems with energy and libido are inevitable with age. However, the regular practice of these massage techniques shows that natural, simple, and consistent methods can create deep changes in circulation, hormonal balance, and sleep quality. Another common misconception is that the complexity of a treatment determines its effectiveness. In reality, simplicity, when applied with consistency and attention, can be more effective and safer, avoiding side effects and promoting a comprehensive improvement in physical and emotional well-being. Dispelling these myths allows older men to take proactive control of their health, trusting natural methods that are proven through direct experience. Beyond improving vitality and sleep, hand massage has surprising effects on overall body health. Consistent practice can support digestion, as stimulating certain points helps regulate energy flow and intestinal activity. General circulation also improves, allowing tissues to receive more oxygen and nutrients, which translates into higher energy levels throughout the day. Reduced anxiety and a greater sense of calm contribute to better posture and a more flexible body, supporting strength and mobility in everyday activities, from climbing stairs to handling household tasks with less effort. Hand massage does not work only on the body, but also strengthens the connection between mind and body. Each conscious movement stimulates self-healing, helping the body restore its natural rhythms. By focusing on breathing and on the sensations that arise during the massage, self-awareness and mindfulness are encouraged. This approach makes it easier to identify areas of accumulated tension and release stress effectively, promoting a balanced state that positively affects mental, emotional, and physical health. Consistent practice helps build a habit of self-care that strengthens resilience in stressful situations and improves overall quality of life. Integrating these techniques into a daily routine requires planning and consistency, but they can be easily adapted to everyday life. It is helpful to choose specific moments, such as in the morning upon waking to activate energy and at night before sleep to encourage deep rest. Creating reminders or involving family members and loved ones can help maintain discipline. Even short routines of 5 minutes, practiced anywhere, can make a difference when done with attention and regularity. This conscious planning ensures that the benefits of massage build over time, creating steady improvements in vitality, sleep, and overall well-being. As these techniques become part of daily life, many questions naturally arise among men over 60. It is normal to wonder whether massage requires prior experience or whether it can truly work after only a few days. The key lies in consistency, since the benefits accumulate with daily practice. It is also common to question the ideal duration of each session. While each person can adapt it to their schedule, dedicating 5 to 10 minutes per hand ensures proper stimulation of key points and allows progressive improvements in sleep, energy, and overall well-being. These questions are natural and reflect a genuine interest in caring for the body in a conscious way. Sharing experiences can be a great source of support for those beginning these techniques. Talking about results, sensations, or even difficulties helps create an environment of shared learning. Active participation builds a sense of community where people motivate one another and exchange practical advice. Even simple stories about how these practices affect daily life, from having more energy in the morning to sleeping more deeply at night, strengthen the feeling of belonging and commitment to personal and collective well-being. It is important to remember the key principles for maximizing the results of hand massage. The 3 main techniques should be practiced regularly, with attention to breathing and mindfulness during each session. Maintaining a consistent routine, both in the morning and before sleep, enhances circulation, emotional balance, and the natural production of hormones essential for vitality. Daily practice, even when brief, allows the body and mind to adapt gradually, increasing energy, reducing stress, and improving sleep quality. This practical summary serves as a guide to integrating the technique effectively into everyday life and making the most of its benefits. Although hand massage is a safe and natural technique, it is always important to listen to the signals of your own body. Each person has different rhythms and limits, and sensitivity may vary from day to day. Listening to the body means stopping if discomfort or pain appears and adjusting the intensity of the massage according to personal tolerance. Patience and mindful observation make it possible to gain the greatest benefits without forcing the body, ensuring that each session becomes a moment of well-being and self-care. Choosing to take care of yourself is a powerful step toward a fuller and more vital life. Practicing hand massage daily creates a cumulative effect, increasing energy, improving sleep, and strengthening self-esteem. Each session becomes an opportunity to reconnect with your body and with a sense of well-being, reinforcing confidence in your ability to maintain balance and vitality. Acting today means investing in a more active and satisfying future, enjoying each day with greater motivation and inner calm.